Okay, selamat. Kami alaikum. First of all, إذاعتها مبلية لي. So, قوامي, حزبي, مننتي, and سميد ما سلاماويتي زبال. And of course, إذاعتنا Malay because I'm a queen Malay. Anyway, so this is my friend Stevie. I gotta teach you what this whole thing is because this year I chose to do something that's connected to my roots, and so this is called gamme. So as you can see, it's like made. It's like braided by hand, and this is like a traditional Eritrean Tigrinya tribe tradition. So I chose to do it all natural this year, and it's so beautiful.
It's stunning.
Yeah, thanks. And so this is like our traditional jewelries as well here, and what else? You gotta check out my dress as well.
Your dress is so beautiful.
It's
what do you
gorgeous.
call your dress?
Huh? This is called Elfi Zuria.
Surya?
Zuria or Telfi, both of it. And as you can see in here too, it's like art made. Yeah, it's
Like hand embroidered.
yeah. So
Oh
it's
my
like
goodness.
it's like they design it, right? It's basically designer, but like in our culture. So they made it all by their hands, and so and most importantly, my nails are melee, and so I gotta explain about melee because this flag as well. Remember I told you about the Eritrean struggles and like how there's like a dictator in Eritrea, and so this melee is a flag that our forefathers used to use, or that it kind of like represents them, and they were fighting for freedom and independence of the Eritreans. And so melee kind of helps us understand the legacy that our fathers left, so that we could fight for the human rights of our brothers that are in back home, and for in general to build a better Eritrea as well. So this is everything about melee. What did you learn?
So much.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How long did it take to get your hair done like
So
this?
it took me about 2 hours.
That's it? I
Yeah,
feel like
maybe
this
more
looks
than
like it
that,
would take
but-
so much longer.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's absolutely stunning.
It's my sister-in-law, Nebiat, actually did it.
Wow.
Yeah. And so, yeah.
Oh my goodness, and then
Thanks
that's
for coming for my
Tigrinya.
graduation, though. Yeah.
In Tigrinya, does
In
it say the same
Tigrinya?
thing?
Yeah, so in Tigrinya, Uame is my constitution, Hizbe is my people, Meninete is my identity, Salamawit is my name in Tigrinya. So this
Tigrinya.
is like a alphabetical.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So so my ancestors are very civilized, and they're ancient civilization, and so they created this whole language. And so we have our own alphabets and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, thank you.